LawMaster Cuba provides you with a more modern look and experience. You'll immediately notice the fresh look of the ribbon layout like we're so used to seeing in applications like Microsoft Office, but everything about it feels completely familiar to LawMaster users. We've combined the old menu bar and the lawyer's toolbar into that ribbon and made it easier than ever to find what you're looking for. The ribbon layout gives you greater control of how you want to use the space on your screen. Use the standard layout, bring up these fresh and modern looking icons, or collapse to a simplified, more minimal ribbon. We're sure it's not just the ribbon you're noticing. We've also revamped the old main menu, which you can now find neatly tucked away on the left here. To view the options that you have access to in the main menu, just select the top menu icon, commonly known as the hamburger icon, or you can hover and select the required option. Another great new feature of the main menu is that you can now search for an option by typing a few characters. This will help you from having to scroll down through the menu list. The most relevant items in the menu will be filtered down. The main menu is also the new home for all of your alerts. Bring-ups, referrals, and any of the custom alerts you may have set up in your system will now appear here at the top of the main menu, and you'll be able to see the number of alerts even if the menu is closed using the familiar badge device. It's all about having everything at your fingertips.
The lawyer's workbench and working within matters might be the place in LawMaster you spend, or at least record, a lot of your time. So let's look at what's been updated here. Just like the main menu, the Matter toolbar and the Matter menu have been moved over into an accordion control over on the left-hand side. The Matter menu is under its own expandable gavel button, and we've combined the Matter toolbar with the Matter menu with more of these great fresh icons. Once familiarized with the icons, we imagine users won't desire to expand the menu to navigate Matter toolbar options. As you've seen, the Matter toolbar is to the left, and over here, the summary section is available from a collapsible bar on the right for a clean and quick view of key financial and action items. The summary can be pinned to remain open.
On the workbench itself, there's a few user improvements here that some of us have been hoping to see. First, we have new zoom controls. You can now change the size of the text in the file notes section of the lawyer's workbench. Simply use the zoom magnifying plus and minus buttons on the top right, or alternatively, you can use the control key and scroll your mouse wheel. We've also brought the things you'd use most into focus by hiding some of the less often used parts of the view and letting you set which of these items should be visible, such as time, disbursements, and action event details. Another great feature of this new interface that lets you move between your open matters with ease and make better use of the space of your screen is tab groups. With tab groups, you can work with separate groups of tabs all within the same LawMaster window. This lets you view matters side by side or have your recent matters list open on one side of the screen while you can work on the other. And getting the layout you want is easy. Just use the options in the tab header or use the positioning icon that appears when you drag a tab out.
On your top right of the ribbon, you'll see LawMaster's newest searching tool. This is LawMaster's new Omni Search tool, which lets you do quicker, more comprehensive searches across all of your matters, files, and contacts in your database, as well as finding programs within LawMaster itself. Just click anywhere in the search box or hit Ctrl and F from most places in LawMaster to get started with a simple search across everything. If you prefer the old Knowledge Workbench, you can also kick it off by clicking on the breadcrumbs at the end. The easiest way to Omni Search is to just tell LawMaster what you are looking for and do your search. You'll see results coming up across different types of searches available, and if you don't find what you're looking for in the initial set of results, just dig in a little deeper to extend the results for the place that interests you the most. We've also made the Omni Search more powerful by letting you quickly specify the type of search you want to do within simple prefix searching. For example, if you're searching for a result within folios only, just prefix your search with F-, then your search term. You'll get the results from your folios quickly and easily. With matters, use the M- prefix and description of your matter, or you can type in the matter and it will open up immediately. Once you're using Cuba, check out the other prefixes available, like P- for LawMaster programs or D- for Ds.